Stop stretching the old way. This is the future of warm-ups. Introducing the Nike X Hyperice Hyperboot, Nike's first tech-enabled performance boot that literally prepares your muscles before you even move. This isn't just recovery, it's wearable science, and it's changing how athletes start and finish their day. If you're serious about performance, recovery, or cutting-edge wearable gear, hit that subscribe button now. Because the Hyperboot isn't hype, it's here, and it works. Developed through years of collaboration between Nike and Hyperice, the Hyperboot is a high-top, battery-powered innovation built to support the two most overlooked parts of your game, warm-up and recovery. And no, this isn't some gimmick. It's loaded with advanced tech that delivers actual performance benefits backed by elite-level athlete feedback. At first glance, the design looks like a futuristic fusion of a basketball shoe and a recovery device, but inside, that's where the magic happens. Dual Normatec air bladders and built-in warming elements work together to deliver heat and dynamic compression to your feet and ankles. This means faster muscle activation, deeper recovery, and less stiffness before you even take your first step, and it's all adjustable. With a single button on the boot, you can toggle between 3 levels of heat and compression, customizing the experience to match your body's needs. Whether you're a pro athlete or someone on your feet all day, the Hyperboot adapts to you. Nike calls this a breakthrough in performance science. Hyperice calls it the evolution of recovery. We just call it game-changing. Let's talk function. The Hyperboot isn't just about reducing soreness after the gym, it actively preps your body for movement. Track and field star Navi Thyme uses it before workouts to eliminate morning stiffness. Golfer Tom Kim says it makes him feel lighter on his feet right from the first swing. And these aren't marketing quotes, they're real testimonials from athletes who've built the Hyperboot into their daily routines. So what makes it different? The integrated Normatec compression system mimics the kind of sports therapy you'd only get from a dedicated recovery room, except now it's wearable. Combined with targeted heat delivery deep into the tissue, it's basically a mobile muscle prep unit for your lower legs. Whether you're heading to a match, the gym, or a long shift at work, this boot gets you going. But it's not just for recovery. The Hyperboot is designed to benefit both sides of the performance equation, physical and mental. That pre-activation of the muscles doesn't just help you physically, it puts you in the zone mentally, knowing you're prepped, loose, and focused. That's a psychological edge few products can claim. Fit and comfort. The Hyperboot is built to wear like a sneaker with the tech of a clinic. It's not bulky and it doesn't restrict movement. The high-top design hugs the ankle, the cushioning is soft but responsive, and the controls are intuitive and seamless. You forget you're wearing something so advanced until you realize how much better your body feels after. The release is rolling out in phases. The Nike X Hyperice Hyperboot dropped in North America on May 17, 2025, available via Nike.com and select Nike retail locations. A global launch is expected later this year during the holiday season. That means you still have a chance to be early, and here's the bottom line: this isn't just another Nike shoe. This is a wearable performance system designed with and for athletes. It's recovery tech, it's warm-up tech, it's performance tech, all in one package. So whether you're training for gold, playing for pride, or just trying to feel better before and after long days, the Nike X Hyperice Hyperboot is here too. Change the game one step at a time. Still watching? You already know what to do. Smash that subscribe button and let us know in the comments, would you wear a heated air compression recovery boot daily? Or is this the boldest move Nike's made in years?